I'm out here in my garden. I love the summertime when I can grow and harvest my own food. Behind me is over 30 varieties of heirloom tomato plants. I have all kinds of vegetables. We're getting new food every day. And recently I noticed rodents are attacking my cucumbers. So today for Mousetrap Monday, we are gonna deal with rodent pests in my garden called voles. If you don't know what a vole is, it's like a mouse that lives underground. They're coming above ground and eating my cucumbers. Let me show you the problem. Here's one of my cucumber beds. If you pull back the leaves, you can see all the cucumbers. Right here's a hole. In this hole is a cucumber that's completely eaten. Right here I have an Armenian cucumber. It has damage. I'll zoom in and show you what they're doing. You can see those teeth marks from the rodent going down just like an ear of corn. They're doing way too much damage, so let's go trap them. Just on the other side of the fence from my garden, there's a hole right here. It has a run going straight to the garden. That's where we're going to set the trap. This is a vole hole and it's very active. Here's the vole trapping kit I'm going to be testing out to deal with these voles in my garden. I purchased these traps from a website called traplineproducts.com. There you can find a lot of really good information on how to catch moles, voles, and gophers. The website's owned by a man named Steve Albano, who for the past 17 years has run a service business where he traps moles and gophers, and he's come up with some really good techniques for catching these pests. Probably his most famous trap is this. It's known as the Gophinator. He received a patent for it in 2008, and on his website he sells several sizes of this. The larger one for catching gophers, and two smaller sizes for catching moles. We're going to test these out in future videos, but right now we're going to test out his vole trapping kit. It's really simple. The idea is you want to funnel the voles in a certain path and then trap them with these Victor snap traps with the wide pedal. I'm not going to use any bait, just create an area where they have to step on the pedal and get caught. Now he's made some slight modifications to these Victor traps. He's drilled a hole right here. That way you can insert a 16 penny nail and anchor the trap to the ground. Right now the ground is really hard, so I'm going to use a hammer to drive in the nail. That trap is secure and not going anywhere. We'll put the second trap right on the opposite side. Then we'll go ahead and set the traps. The idea is the vole will come out of his hole, and either way he goes, he gets caught right on the head. We don't want the voles to escape on either side. We want to create a tunnel where they go face to face with the trap. To do that, the kit's included a piece of plastic as a cover with staples to secure it. They just fit over like this. The vole trapping kit is now ready to go. It's really secure with those staples. Any voles coming out of the hole cannot avoid those traps. Let's leave this overnight and see if we can get some of the voles that are eating my cucumbers. It's now the next day and it's time to check our traps. We'll pull up the cover. That is exactly what I wanted to see. Each trap has a vole in it. These things are so plentiful. Now to remove them, we'll have to pull up the trap. It's secure with that nail and give them a little flip. I found the vole trapping kits by Trapline Products to be very effective. I'm going to keep using them until I've caught enough voles where I'm no longer seeing damage. I'm posting between 4 and 5 rodent trap videos a week, so if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned. And next up, we're going to test out the Gophinator.